y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I know it's been a hot second since you've seen me, but I was taking some time to celebrate the milestone of Sister Girl Tuesday being poppin' for 3 years. So today I'm back with a quick and easy recipe. So it's fall, autumn, that time of year. And for me, I think it's the beginning of potluck season, you know what I mean, at your job or at your kids' events or whatever the case may be. So I'm showing y'all something quick and easy that you can do. I'm gonna call it a fall harvest snack mix. Real simple, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. So if you wanna see how I do it, just keep watching, and you already know before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, to get started, you'll melt your butter. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my CHEX cereal while my butter is melting and add 4 cups to a bowl. Then I'm going to take some original style BUGLES and I'll add 4 cups of that to a bowl. And then I'm going to get a bigger bowl. So you can learn from me and just start with a really large bowl. And now I'm going to go in and add 4 cups of some pretzels. Now that my butter is melted, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix it together really well and make this caramel, brown sugar, butter, slurry type mixture. And to that, I'm going to add in 2 capfuls of some vanilla extract for just a little extra flavor. And then again, of course, mix that together. All right, and now I'm just going to pour it over my snack mix here. And I'm going to try to mix it really well to try to get as much of the mix coated as possible. So I'm adding a little bit at a time. And now I'm going to spread things onto a baking sheet. And since this is a large batch, I needed to make 3 separate trays. And then once everything has cooled, I'm just going to transfer it back into my large bowl and add our candy. So I've got some REECES Pieces I'm going to add, and then I've also got some candy corn. And then finally, I'm going to take some pumpkins. And then you'll just mix all of that together. And voila, you've got your harvest snack mix.